New Hampshire public health officials have released a town-by-town map providing some insight into the number of COVID-19 positive cases. But they add people should now assume the virus is in every community.
We believe there are increasing numbers of people with community-based transmission of COVID-19.
And tonight, Governor Sununu is asking Washington for a major disaster declaration, which would help cover the cost of deploying the National Guard to assist first responders and healthcare professionals if necessary.
We don't know exactly why we may need to do it. My sense is at some point we will. We just want to have the readiness and know that the federal government's going to be behind us when we do.
In the meantime, to help ease the economic burden of COVID-19, the governor has announced an increase in minimum unemployment benefits.
We're increasing the weekly minimum benefit from $32 a week to $168 a week.
Plus, starting next week, an additional $600 per week will be given to unemployed workers through federal funds.
In order to access these benefits, there is nothing additional that folks need to do. They need to continue to file their claims just like they are doing now. They will not notice any different in terms of the process through which they need to access these benefits.
Governor Sununu is also extending the duration of state unemployment benefits by 13 weeks. To a total of 39 weeks. Also tonight, the governor says he is moving the deadlines for business tax payments as well as interest and dividend tax payments to June 15th. We're live here tonight in Concord. I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.